Understanding Panorama Mode, enhancing your visual experience. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into an exciting aspect of photography and smartphone technology, the Panorama Mode. This feature is common in cameras and phones, but what does it really mean? And how does it enhance your photography experience? Let's find out. Panorama Mode is a camera feature that allows you to take wide-angle photographs. These photos are much wider than the typical camera view, capturing a vast landscape or a large group of people. This mode works by stitching together multiple images into one elongated photo, giving you a comprehensive view of the scene. When you use Panorama Mode, you start by focusing on one end of your desired scene. Then, as instructed by your camera or phone, you slowly move it to capture the entire area you want in the photo. The camera automatically takes multiple shots and stitches them together to create a seamless wide-angle photo. Panorama Mode is perfect for capturing landscape scenes, like beaches, mountains, or city skylines, large groups, where a regular photo can't include everyone, architectural wonders, to get the full view of large buildings or structures. 1. Hold your device steady. Use both hands for stability. 2. Move slowly and evenly. Ensure a smooth transition between shots. 3. Be aware of moving objects. They can appear distorted in the final photo. 4. Practice. Like any skill, getting the perfect panorama takes practice. We hope this video has helped you understand what Panorama Mode is and how to use it effectively. Remember, this mode can turn ordinary scenes into extraordinary wide-angle memories. Happy photographing, and see you in our next video.